Hello everyone, thank you for stopping on my channel. So in this video we are going to start over and exploring the application that we have made improvements to the models, migrations and seeders. So now the first thing we see, since we have made changes to it, as showing errors and it's saying that the general setting.php model um, does not exist since we have changed it. So let's see what we can do to fix this. So I'm going to search for the general settings.php file and see like what are the flashes that we have used that and we are gonna change it to settings.php. Okay, so the first thing you can see here is the imports are invalid, and after that the way we get settings is also invalid, so we are gonna fix that. And also we are gonna add we are going to create a settings header, and we will see the basic information like title, business email, etc, etc. And you can see this is also invalid. So what I'm going to do, this is the migration, this is the index. You can see since we have changed this setting to setting model, I'm going to replace it with this, and let's see what we got. We are replacing it in 5 classes. Now if I refresh the page, we will still have an issue, but not this one. Cannot declare a class name is already in use in the advanced settings.php, which is a livewire component, I guess you can see. So let's go to setting, and we will declare this as a model. So let's say as setting model. Since we will be changing it, let's just for now fix the error that we are getting, and we will fix everything after that. So I'm gonna replace everything like this, and now if I refresh, that error should be solved, and you can see that it has been fixed. So now what I'm going to do is create a seeder, php recent make seeder, setting seeder, and then go to setting seeder. Here we will have general settings and a lot of more like that. So okay, we got the title, Laravel Live. Okay, so we are gonna create these settings. So when you seed it, it will seed these information will be available. So the first thing we can do is set the title or site title or title, whatever you wanna call it, but I'm gonna call it title, and let's call it hospital management system. And now we will have another seeder. Let's see what this does. Okay, business email. I think we can do one thing like create a lot of them and then use a loop to automatically do that. So let's say settings equals to and create an array like this, and we are going to put the details. So business email is, let's say testing at gmail.com. We got an address. Let's just put a sample address, xyz abc nepal. Then we got a phone number. So let's see what this chat gpt. Okay, let's say this is the phone number. And then working hours, for the working hours, and this will be displayed right here. So we are going to put that as a string. So something like 7:00, let's say am to 7 p.m. or something like that, let's say 8 p.m. We got a description, so we can like create a lorem description. And then we got logo, but by default we do not have, we cannot put logo, so let's just put anything. Let's say logo dot png. We got an icon, let's say icon dot png. We got a fav icon. I think this should be the same. Let's just remove this. Okay, now what are the other things that we can put in there? So we got the title, phone number, email, daily times. Apart from that, we have the descriptions already put in. Already these are included. We can add socials. So let's say socials, and let's see if it can create the socials for us. Okay, we got Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, Pinterest, WhatsApp, Telegram, TikTok, a lot. Oh, these are a lot. So we are gonna remove the one that we not gonna use it, not needed. Twitch, Pinterest, GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket, Medium. Let's just leave the Medium. We will be looking at this. So we get Pinterest, YouTube, Google Plus. Okay, Slack is not needed. Let's remove the Medium as well. Discord not needed. Skype is also not needed. Waymo is not needed. Flickr is not needed. This is also not needed. Reddit, Snapchat, TikTok, Telegram, WhatsApp. Do we have WhatsApp? No. Oh, remove the WhatsApp as well. Gonna leave the Pinterest, YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. Okay, so let's leave these, and we have removed the rest of them. We gotta put semi comma in here. Okay, now after that, let's see if anything else we can put. So get in touch, email, contact information. Let's see what we got in about. Oh, we have turned off that thing. Okay, so now since we have that, then we are gonna loop through each of them and store them. So let's see if it's gonna do it. So okay, instead of this, we can also do something like first or create, and that's gonna work. So let's go to database Cedar, and we can call that one in the first place. So setting Cedar, import the name. Okay, now let's give it a try. I'm gonna press the migration and seed it. Migrate press dash dash seed. Okay, we got an error. The description value is too long, I guess. So let's just do something with that. How about now? Let's do it again. Okay, and it went through successfully. So now let's just go through the application and see what we got. Okay, looking good. So now what I'm going to do is load these things from that model. You can see we got this missing as well, and the things that are missing we're gonna add it accordingly, and also we are gonna add these things to the admin panel so that it can be updated dynamically from the admin side. So I'm gonna go to app.blade.php, and then let's go where we have queries for getting the things from the admin side. Okay, business spoon. Okay, we have this variable f. Where is this initialized? Okay, okay, here we have it. Okay, getting the first one from there and storing it like this. So maybe we can do something like putting it here, or we can use PHP. Let me open up this lightweight VS Code editor. Okay, so I have opened this in lightweight VS Code editor. So let's go to app.blade.php, and here we are going to query the things that we need to pull out from the server and put it here. And to do that, I think we can create query like, oh, let's ask ChatGPT to do it for us. So I'm gonna copy everything from here. Okay, we can use query all. So I'm gonna paste that. Let's just debug that and see if we can do as it's saying. So let's just first check what we have in this query. So I am going to refresh the page, and let's see what we got in this. So we have 14 records, and let's say I want to be able to can I get the, let's say, logo directly? I'm not sure, so I think we can use plug, let's say key and value. Okay, still not working, so let's ask ChatGPT to create a code for us. Okay, that was easy. Now let's see. Okay, we do have logo.png. So now I'm gonna just go to the places where we have called it and replace it accordingly. Okay, so if that app exists now, since we do not have app, so let's remove that. Settings of logo, settings of business phone. Okay, the same for email, the same for working hours. We have logo here as well. Description, address, email. We got the phone number, the icon again. Let's remove this one. Okay, we have successfully added all of them. So now let's give it a try and see if it actually works. Okay, we got an error, line number 21. Oh, this should not be like that. Let's just do it like this. I think instead of this we can use the other way as well, like using asset. But let's go with this way. Line number 56 here again. Then oh, I think we gotta do it for all the places. So one thing we can do is to use the something like this, and replaces r over the page, and then refresh the page, and settings is undefined. Okay, it is defined. Okay, line 21. Let's refresh again. Settings is undefined. Now undefined array key icon, so we gotta check the setting Cedar. We have icon and icon logo. We got a fresh again. So migrate fresh Tauseed. Serve the application again and refresh the page. Okay, so this time we do not have any error and all the things are loaded successfully. And let's check out the footers. Yeah, looking good. um, but how we can sure that this is working? Well, we have the admin panel, right? So we can check it from the admin panel. And to check that, we need to log into the application. So let's just log in. Credentials are Tauseed at test.com. Password is password. Oh, invalid credentials. Go to database header. Password is Tauseed. Okay, slash setting slash admin slash setting is now throwing error. So let's go to admin data. Do we have routes for admin? Let's go to web.php, search for setting, admin slash setting, and it's calling this route. Okay, let's see what we got here. We have methods for editing and updating stuff, and here we have the setting. It's quite interesting. So we need to update this so that we will be able to manage it. And let's close all the dues that are not closed. Okay, one is extra. So I think we're gonna wrap this video right here, and we will manage this in the next video, since because all these should be removed and we will have key and value, and based on this all these operation will be performed. And also we will need to create a dashboard for the admin panel. uh, these are the things that we will put on priority. And thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.